Hello everyone, welcome to the programming session. We are doing the programming with the help of the Scratch Junior app. Let us start programming where we left last time. I am sharing my mobile screen with you. Let us start Scratch Junior. I hope you have practiced whatever we have learnt last time. Click on Home button to start a new project. After starting a new project, you can see all this programming area and the options. Last time we had learnt about these blue blocks for how to use for going forward, backward and to take a turn. This time we are going to learn about few more blocks. Come to your left hand side, you can see one yellow block. Click on it. When you will click on it, you will see the green flag. Drag the green flag in your programming area. Now this green flag acts as a start button. Last time we have taken only blocks. We were not having any start button for it. This time this green flag will act as a start button for us. Now let us see how. Again come to blue block and take any options or any block. Suppose going forward and then going backward and then taking a turn. Only a simple blocks I have taken. Now this time when I want to execute my program, I have to click on the green flag which is there on the top of the screen. Just click on it. Can you see it had moved forward, backward and took a right turn? Yes. So start button is very important to start your program. Otherwise what we did, we just dragged the block and we did, that is also fine, but I will suggest you to use the start button to start your programming. Let us see other options now. I am deleting these blocks now as we have learnt it. Come to the purple block. See, can you see your messaging option or the messaging block? So let's take it. And you can, here it is saying hi. You can change it to any other text. So suppose I want to change it. So I am taking, just drag it out little and click on it. After clicking on it, your keypad will start and you have to type your message. Suppose I am typing hello 5th standard. Hello 5th standard. So this is my message which I want to display. After typing it, I am just joining it with my start button. After telling the message, again I want it to go forward one step. Very basic thing. Here I am just giving you the introduction about the blocks, what are the function of the blocks, so that at home you can explore the blocks by your side and you can make your own programs. Now let us click on green flag. See, it is telling hello 5th standard. Right. Now let us explore more blocks. I am deleting this one. Come to the purple block again. Here we can see this growing option, the second one. It means whenever you will use this block, your cat or whatever object you have taken on the screen, it will grow. So let us click on this green flag and check. See, when I am clicking, it is growing. Again we can check. Yes, it is growing. So again I am deleting it. Now the next option on your purple block only is shrinking. That is the third block. Drag the third block on your screen and attach it to your start button. That is your green flag. Now again click on green flag and it is shrinking. Right. So this block we use it for shrinking. Now the next option is to hide. So it will hide your cat or whatever object or figure you are using, it will hide it. Let us see. Oh, a cat disappear. Now again, to you want your cat to come back, so the last option is this one. So when it got disappear, you want it to back, so let us use this one. Oh, a cat came again. So we understood about this blocks which is there in the purple panel. Now I am deleting it again to show you more options. Now come to this green block, and here you have the sound. So this is a sound block, and you can select any sound. So here pop sound is there. Just tap on it and it will play the sound for you. Okay, so now instead of taking this system generated or the sound which is there in the app, you can record your voice also with the help of this recording one. So see, I have clicked on this recording block and this came where I can record my voice. So why this block we are using? This block you can use when you are creating any stories. Yes, so by changing the background, having a good programming blocks, you can create one stories and you can have your own sound behind it to narrate the story. Here I am not using any sound block. It is just explanation to you. At home you can explore. Okay children? Now let's come to this orange block now. Here something we have to understand. Here your programming concept comes. So first block is a timer. So it will show the timing, means if you want something to appear for only 10 seconds or 20 seconds, you can change the timing here and it will appear only for that particular seconds. So it was easy. The main block is the last one, this one, which is loop or repeat. So what do you mean by repeat or loop? It means it will repeat your instructions, it will repeat your blocks the number of times what you will specify. So here it is written 4. So whatever blocks you will put inside this, it will repeat itself for 4 times. You can increase the number also, you can take it 5, 6 or you can decrease it to 3 also. Don't make it 1, otherwise no using of the repeat option. Repeat means the same block you want to repeat it again and again, same blocks. So let us have an example. Suppose I am coming to blue block here and I want to go forward one step, back one step and right and left. What we have to do, we have to drag all the blocks inside this repeat option. Okay, so I have dragged any random blocks inside it, and now let us click on start button. See, it is playing it for 4 times, right? We saw the cat moving for 4 times. You can increase the number and you can make it to, suppose I am making it to 6. Okay, now this time see, it is playing for 6 times. So this way you can create your animated stories. I am deleting this block also. Now other very important feature for you for making your story is your red block. It is very interesting. Suppose you have the multiple pages. On this page you have created one story and on the second page you have the different story. So how to take a page first, let us understand one by one. On my right hand side this plus button is there, click on it. My new page came. Now here this time I want different color so that I can understand this is my second page. Okay, so here I am taking this theme background and on my first page I have, suppose, this background. Yeah, So what you are doing, you are creating one story, and after completing the first page you want to switch into the second page. So what to do? Here in red color block, take this last block and attach it with your start block. So whenever you will click your start button, see, your pages will get changed. This way you can take any number of pages and you can create your own story. Now we have learnt about the many blocks in this app. So let us create one complete program by using all the blocks. Okay, so let's start with a start button. I am taking the start button. After this, I wanted to say hello. So I am changing it to hello everyone. Hello everyone. Okay, done. So after telling it hello everyone, what I want to do, I want it to grow a little big. Yes, I want my cat to become big. So, okay. So growing block I have taken. Done. Now, after growing little, I want it to go forward. Go little forward. And again go forward. See, here I am taking 2 times. What you can do else? You can change the number. Now, take a turn. Done. And after this, after doing this function, I wanted to come to the next page. Done. So I have done the simple programming for my first page. Oh, I was on second page. So it means I have done the programming for my second page. How to understand it is your first or second? On your right hand side, can you see the pages? So where I am on second page. It is showing 2. Okay. So now what I will do, I will go opposite. I will go from 2 to 1. So I am coming on 1 again. And here I am changing the program. That is, this time I am not taking start button. I am directly starting with going backward. I wanted to go towards the tree sides, that is left hand side, and go left hand side again, display the message. I am playing very simple message, and after this, so you can add your audio or voice, no problem. Again, come forward by 2 blocks, and I am taking this time loop or repeat option, and I am putting everything inside the repeat option or repeat block. So now what will happen, it will repeat it for 4 times. Let us see how it happens. I am coming again on my second page where my start button is there. Now let's see. I am clicking on my start button. It is telling hello everyone, growing. My first page came where I have to start. It is telling I am playing, and it is repeating that number of blocks for 4 times. Okay children, so this way you can change your pages. I hope you have understood all the basic concept of it. Practice it, change the pages or create your own story. And next time we will learn the advanced part of it. I hope you have understood. If you have not any doubt with this app or the programming concept, you can comment below. I will read it and I will reply to you. Thank you.